Hey, Joe here. What I got to do today is install some Carbonetics carbon fiber side skirts on my car. I'm not exactly a body man, but I'm going to do the best I can and see if I can have these things looking good. So what I've done here to start is I just set the side skirts up on this bucket, some random stuff to try to get it right where I want it to sit. See if that looks right. And what I have is this curve doesn't exactly match. It's pretty good here. There's a little bit of a gap there. It gets close again, and then there's like a bigger gap back here. So I'm gonna have to figure out what has to be done. I'm probably gonna try to kind of cut down this carbon fiber right here, make this strip a little thinner on top, so that thing gets closer and closes this gap on the back. And then I'm gonna have to make some brackets to hold these things on there. I've been messing around here for a minute, and what I've learned that is if I hold this part of the skirt so that it stays straight up and down perpendicular to the ground, you can see this part of the skirt kind of twists out this way. So this skirt is a little twisted. So I think what I need to do is, what I found is if I twist this thing back here and close that gap up, it makes it so the skirt stays vertical here the whole way down. And the gap there is really not that much. So I think I do have like a little bit of a hump right here that might need to get smoothed out, but not much else. My fender kind of sticks out more than my body right there, which is probably an adjustment I can make on the fender to make that work better. And I think this is going to be a lot easier than I was thinking. That's good. About 60 degrees there, 61. This bracket right at the same. That's my bracket. I should have drilled the hole to attach it to the body before I riveted it to the side skirt, but that's okay. We're gonna figure this out. I marked that hole right there. I'm going to drill a small pilot hole, and then I'm going to use the larger drill bit for the nutsert. Put it in with the nutsert tool, and that'll be my first mounting spot for the side skirts. Man, it has been a while since I sandblasted this car, media blasted this car, whatever. There was sand coming out of everywhere for a long time. And I just drilled this hole here, and look at this. Oh my God. When I drill that hole bigger, I'm going to try to vacuum that sand out of there. There's the riv nut. Alright, there's that. And if I go under here, I can show you the bracket with the bolt that holds it into the riv nut there. So I just need to do a few more of those down here and get this thing mounted up. It's going all right. Works a lot better when you drill these holes in the vise rather than when this little metal tab is attached to carbon fiber. So there's the one tab, there's another tab, there's another tab, there's another tab. That's the 4 main mounting points, and I'm going to finish those up on here. We got 1, 2, I got to put 2 more and move on from there. Alright, there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 nutserts there. And there's 1, 2, 3, and way down there 4 brackets. I'm just gonna bolt those on with these bolts right here, and then see about sturdying it with that back panel right there. And there's actually one that goes on right here too, same as that one in the back. All right, under here, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there. Here's the passenger side skirt. It's got all the mounting tabs on it. I just gotta mark those out on the body and drill it. Put those nutserts in, and that'll be finished. I got the riv nuts installed, and I also cleaned the rocker panel where I'll never see it again. At least I know it's clean now. There's the passenger side all installed. And I've gone ahead and anchored the front of the skirt here. This plate I've anchored right there. I'm going to have to do the same back there and on the other side. And I just made a bracket there like that and riveted it to the side skirt. And these things are on there very sturdy now, like very sturdy. Here is what one of the rear brackets looks like. I just gotta snap the front bumper on there and put this thing on the ground. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like on the ground. Yep, that looks pretty sick. Ready to pull this thing outside. What do we think, guys? We digging the side skirts? Overall look? Let me know in the comments. Whew, hot. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see all the Joe Wrenches videos. Click the bell so you get notified when the videos come out. And remember,
put cheese on it.